Hi, welcome back. My name is Maddie Wade. This is my beauty channel. Thank you so much for joining me here. Today, I'm going to be covering a eyelash or eye makeup and lip look. They're both going to be really simple, really easy for the summer, very light and natural as well, which seems to be very on trend right now and very in style. So that's what we're going to be focusing on today. So if you have not yet hit the subscribe button, make sure you do. Make sure you subscribe to this channel. I do post videos weekly, and I also am here to give you all the skincare and makeup tips. This is what I love to do, so thank you for tuning in with me. All right, so we are gonna get started. Like I said, it's gonna be a super easy, simple, natural look today. So let's go ahead and I'm gonna put a little bit of concealer on my eyelids. The reason I like to put a little bit of concealer on my eyelids is it really helps to kind of keep your eyeshadow on better and brighten things up. So I'm just gonna go ahead and blend this all over my lid. I'm gonna use my mirror here too, so I can see a little bit better. I'm trying out a different angle today, so tell me what you think about it down below. I usually do these like vertical. Today I changed my camera angle to the horizontal, so it should fit your screen a little bit better here on YouTube, but let me know what you think. It's gonna take me a minute to adjust to not being able to just stare right into the camera and use it though. So let me know what you think down below. I do have the rest of my makeup on, so I do have on my foundation. I moved into a beige foundation because we were just on vacation, so I'm a lot tanner than I was before. I usually use a beige C130. Right now I'm using a beige W. I can't remember what color it is at the moment. I'll have to check and I'll get back with you on that. I'll put it down below in the description. But anyway, I usually use a light beige. I have bumped it up since I have been out in the sun a little bit more. On my cheeks, I have Latte Contour. I'm using Rosy Nude Blush and glazed highlighter. For our lips today, I'm going to use Boho Plum lipstick, which is one of my favorites. You can see it looks kind of dark in the container. It's actually not very dark. It goes on so nice and light, and you'll see, I'm putting it on right now because you'll see it goes on a little bit darker, and it almost kind of makes itself a little bit more like a chapstick-ish look as I wear it a little bit longer. So I love this because it's a hydrating lipstick. So it's got a vitamin E and sunflower oil in it, so it's going to keep your lips super hydrated while you wear it. We have 10 shades of this. Boho Plum is one of my favorites. I just really like it. I also love to put a lip gloss over it too, so give it a little extra shine, a little extra glossiness, and this is Soft Nude. It's one of my favorites as well. It's going to also kind of just tone it down just a tad. I always say these hydrating lipsticks, they're kind of like a crossover of a lipstick and a lip balm. So if you like a tinted lip balm or anything like that, you might love these. I'm a big lip gloss girl though, so I love the lip glosses. They were actually just recently named on, I believe it was the Today Show, that's what it was. They were just named on there for being one of the best lip glosses that does not get stuck in your hair and it's hydrating. So I love that too. All right, let's go ahead. We're gonna get started with the eyes. So again, this is gonna be a super easy eye look. I have my palette here, and if you have not watched any of my other tutorials, go ahead and check them out. I do lots of tutorials here on YouTube. I have lots of playlists for different colors makeup and beginner makeup, as well as some limited edition makeup, all kinds of fun stuff. So we're gonna get started. I'm just gonna do a 2 eyeshadow combination today, that's it. So nice and simple. We're going to use, I think I'm gonna do with my blending brush. I should really plan these before I come on here, but I always like to just kind of go with what I'm liking in the moment. All right, let's see. I'm gonna take Sunlit Rose today, which I'm gonna show you in just a second. I'm gonna take it on the outer part of my eyes. This is like a really pretty pink sparkly color. It's not too dark, but it's still got that pink sparkle to it. So I'm going to take that one in the outer part of my eye, just kind of blending it all the way to the middle. You can see how beautiful those sparkles are too. I'm sure you can probably see them a little bit better when I look down. Okay. So I'm just using my blending brush, just kind of windshield wipering back and forth, really putting this on the outer part of my eye, but I'm also just bringing it to the center of my eye too. So I want this to be a very nice and natural look. We don't want it to be too much. this summer, that seems to be the trend, is kind of the lighter makeup is so in right now. So I love this if you still want like a pop of color, but you want it to be light and natural at the same time. So this one is Sunlit Rose. Let me show you in my palette here. Right here is the Sunlit Rose. Hopefully you can see that okay. And next I'm gonna take Rose Gold, which is this one right here, and I'm gonna put that one in the center of my eye. And I'm using the all over powder brush for this. So when you use the all over powder brush with a shimmer, you want to pat it right on. And I'm also going to put it in the corner of my eye too. Okay, and the reason that you want to do that, you want to put it right in the center of your eye, just like that, is because it's going to make it a little bit more shimmery. It's going to make it a little bit more of that kind of, sorry if you can hear my dog. His name's Cooper, and he gets a little mouthy sometimes. But you want to like almost pack it in, and when you're packing that in, you can see it gives it that really pretty glistening, glowy, sparkly look. All right, so we're gonna do a little bit of mascara next. So I always curl my lashes before I do my mascara. I love the Sunlit Rose with this Boho Plum too. I just think they complement each other really well. I love using the lip gloss over the top of those lipsticks just because it gives that kind of like really glossy, glowy lips look to your lips. So I think it just really complements each other, like I said, really, really well. One thing I'm going to do before I put my mascara on is I'm going to add a little bit of, we're going to add Merlot, which is right here. It's that dark purple color you can see. I'm just going to take a little bit with, this is the eyebrow eyeliner brush, and I'm going to pick it up with the eyeliner side. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to almost press it into my lash line on the bottom. So I'm going to get really close. Let me see, make sure you can see okay. I'm going to get really close, and I'm going to press this right in on that lash line. So I have shown lots of tutorials where I have done this with the smudge brush before, and it gives a little bit more of that messy, kind of smoky eye look. Don't poke yourself in the eye. But I'm just gonna press, this one is just a different look. It's gonna be a little bit cleaner, a little bit more of that like no makeup look, kind of. Still makeup, but a little less makeup. I'm gonna do the same thing on this side. So pressing it right in to that lash line. And I'm using Merlot because it's gonna complement that Boho Plum really well. And it's gonna look really good with that Sunlit Rose too. So you can see it's just that little bit. It's just gonna kind of make my eyes pop a little bit, but not too much. So those are the three colors that we used. Now we can go ahead and put our mascara on. Before I put my mascara on, I'm gonna use a little bit of the finishing spray. I love the finishing spray before I put my mascara on, or you can wait until after your mascara is dry too. But I use that after my foundation too. So after I do my foundation and my contour and blush, I will then use a spritz of the foundation prime or the finishing spray as well. It makes a huge difference. It keeps your makeup on, and if you have oily skin, it's gonna give you a little bit more stay power. So it's going to keep your makeup on a lot longer. So if you feel like your makeup's like coming off, or you have hot flashes and you're sweaty, you're outside in the sun, anything like that where you feel like your makeup's kind of melting, the finishing spray is a game changer. It can help tremendously. Foundation primer is as well. But the makeup finishing spray can make a huge difference. If you have dry skin, it's also going to make your skin look a little bit more glowy. So it's not going to leave your skin feeling as ashy and dry. It's going to give it a little bit more of that healthy glow. I'm just going to grab just a little bit of these lashes down here. Okay, let's do the other side. And that's just one coat of this Lash Fanaroma mascara. If you're looking for a new mascara and you have not tried this yet, try this one out. I know I do have some customers who don't love the Lash Fanaroma mascara, but most of my customers do love this one. It's my personal favorite. It lengthens and volumizes at the same time. So if you do buy it and you're like, oh my gosh, Maddie, I don't love it, I like the ultimate better, or I like with shorter bristles better, just let us know, because Mary Kay has 100% satisfaction guarantee. So if I'm your Mary Kay beauty consultant, let me know. If you're watching this and you have your own Mary Kay beauty consultant, let her know if you're ever unhappy with anything, because we never want you to be stuck with a product when we have 100% satisfaction guarantee program. So make sure you don't have a junk drawer full of Mary Kay. That's never what we want. We want you to love your products. Go ahead and let me know down below too, what do you think about this look? It's super light, super natural. It's a great everyday look. Let us know what you think about it down below. Tell us where you're watching from too. I always love to know who's watching these videos and where you guys are watching from. I appreciate you guys so much tuning in. We are getting close to 2,000 subscribers too, so make sure you subscribe and let your friends know. If you have any makeup loving friends or people who like to stay with the trends and the new skincare and makeup trends, make sure you let them know about my channel so that they can subscribe as well. I'm gonna do a giveaway. When we hit 2,000, I'm gonna do like a Google Doc and you guys can sign up through it and you'll be able to enter to win. So keep an eye on that. So keep watching these videos and I'll be posting that as we get a little bit closer. But here's today's look. So thank you so much for watching. What do you think about it? Do you like the lip look? Do you like the eye look? Do you like the foundation look? Let us know down below. Stay tuned too. We have brand new summer products that just launched. So I'm gonna be doing a tutorial here very soon covering those. We've got some new makeup, some new lipsticks. We've also got some new skincare, so I'm really excited to share that with you. All right, I hope you guys have a wonderful rest of your day. If you want to shop these products that I used today, check down below. You'll find my website. You'll also find my email list. If you're not on my email list, sign up for my email list. That's where you're going to find out about any deals that I run, any classes that I offer, and just tips and tricks that I offer as well. So thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you back here next time. Bye.